Aloha and welcome back to beautiful Maui, Hawaii. I'm your American Dream TV host, Miranda Watson, and I have curated a perfect day for any golf enthusiast in South Maui. We're gonna start at Hokulani Golf Villas and follow it up with a tour of one of the most iconic craft breweries located here in Kihei. Finish it off with a round of golf. Let's get started and go check it out. I'm excited to start our day at Hokulani Golf Villas. My friend Yolanta has an incredible listing here, and it's going to show you why you should start every morning here at Hokulani. Let's check out number 94 together.
Aloha.
Hello, welcome.
Hi. Welcome. Thanks for coming.
Absolutely. Thank you for hosting me today.
Oh, my pleasure.
You've been selling real estate for quite some time here on Maui.
Yes, I have. I've been selling real estate on Maui since 2001.
You shouldn't tell people that because you look 20. So those numbers don't work.
Yes, I am.
Of course you are. This is such an incredible home. Of all of the listings that you've had, what makes this one really stand out?
It's absolutely pristine. What I love about this home, it's a single level living. It has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, plus an office. As you come in, you can see the super high ceilings with a lot of light, and that's really rare on Maui.
What upgrades do you find that buyers love the most about this property?
They like the open design, the chef's kitchen with gas cooked up. They love 24 solar panels.
Paid for.
Absolutely. 2 power walls, 2-car garage for their toys. It's pet friendly and it's private. You don't have anyone looking into your yard. You have that freedom of lock and leave and no yard work.
This is an incredible option. I'm excited because we have Maui Brew Co., which is just down the street, and we're gonna go check out, after you wake up at this amazing villa, where we can go have some killer grinds and some craft beer.
Fabulous. Thank you.
Thank you. Come join me.
Absolutely.
Located right behind Hokulani Golf Villas is Maui Brew Co. Today we're going to get a behind-the-scenes tour with Garrett himself, the owner of the brewery. Let's go see what's brewing. Garrett, you've created one of the most recognized brands here in all of Hawaii. How did it all get started?
I was 26 years old and knew I wanted to conquer the world. I saw that Hawaii didn't have an authentic local beer, and so I created Maui Brewing Company as a response to that. So now we have Hawaii's largest craft brewery.
Isn't that crazy?
It is. It blows my mind.
That was what year? When did it all begin?
So we started, our first brew day was January 28, 2005. 21 years and change now. One of the things I think we're super excited about right now is we just came out with a new beer called Maui Light. It's the first evolution for us outside of really what would have been considered craft. It's a 4%, 100-calorie, 12-ounce can of beer, and it is so drinkable. It's perfect. It's kind of call it a dad beer in some ways, but it's really just a light lager that has good flavor and you can drink any time of the day, specifically after or during your best golf round.
We'll see how many it takes. I noticed a lot of solar panels as we were doing the tour. Can you tell me a little bit about the power generated?
Sure. We have 1.2 megawatts of solar and about 3.5 megawatt hours of battery storage. We also are backed up by 2 biodiesel generators, almost 600 kilowatts of backup power. Basically what that means is that we can run this facility for up to 2 weeks on solar, battery, and gensets in the event of a complete power failure, power grid failure.
Thank you so much for your time. I really do appreciate that.
Great to have you.
We had a little too much to drink, so I'm hoping it doesn't affect my golf swing. But now we're here at Maui Nui Golf Club, located right across the street from Hokulani and Maui Brew Co. Let's go work off a little bit of those calories. Thank you to Yolanta, my friend, for her listing at Hokulani, to Garrett and his crew over at Maui Brew Co., and to Maui Nui for letting me burn off those calories. And I'm gonna swear that that beer did make my game better. Until next time, I'm your American Dream TV host, Miranda Watson, and Maui could be your American dream.